Dialogue 1. Talking about a concert. Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, Jane. How about you?
I'm fine. Did you see the concert?
Yes, I did. It was fantastic.
Really? What did you like most?
The singer's voice was so powerful.
Was it better than the last one?
I think this one was better.
I missed it. I feel so sad.
Don't worry. There's another concert next month.
Will you go to that one too?
Yes, I will. Do you want to come?
Yes, I'd love to go with you.
Great. Let's buy the tickets tomorrow.
What time does the concert start?
It starts at 7 in the evening.
Perfect. I'll meet you at 6.
Okay. Don't forget to bring your jacket.
Why? Will it be cold inside?
Yes, it's always cold at the venue.
Dialogue 2. Free concert tickets. Hi, Sarah. How are you doing?
I'm good, Jane. How about you?
I'm great. I have exciting news.
What news? Tell me about it.
I got free concert tickets today.
Free tickets? How did you get them?
My friend won them in a contest.
That's amazing. Which concert is it for?
It's for the pop concert tonight.
Tonight? Isn't that concert sold out?
Yes, but my friend can't go.
Why can't your friend attend the concert?
She has to work late tonight.
That's too bad. Where are the seats?
Front row. Can you believe it?
Wow. Those are the best seats ever.
I know. I'm so excited to go.
Me too. Should we thank your friend?
Yes, let's buy her a small gift.
Great idea. Let's go shopping now.
Dialogue 3. Eating out. Hi, Nancy. How are you today?
I'm fine, Jane. How about you?
I'm good. Should we eat out?
Yes, let's eat out tonight.
Where do you want to go?
How about the new pizza place?
The one near the shopping mall?
Yes, I heard it's really good.
Okay, let's try it tonight then.
What time should we meet there?
Let's meet at 7 this evening.
Perfect. I'll see you at 7.
Do you want to invite anyone else?
Yes, let's ask John and Sarah.
Good idea. I'll call John now.
I'll send Sarah a quick message.
John said he can come too.
Sarah is also free to join us.
Great. It will be a fun dinner.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Dialogue 4. Cutting back on eating out. Hi, Nancy. How are you today?
I'm fine, Jane. How about you?
I'm good. We eat out too much.
Yes, we should save more money.
Let's try cooking at home instead.
Okay, I can help with cooking.
I'll make grilled chicken tonight.
Do you know how to grill?
Yes, I'll follow an online recipe.
What if it doesn't taste good?
Then we'll try again tomorrow.
Cooking at home sounds like work.
It's cheaper than eating out daily.
True. Let's make a meal plan.
Good idea. I'll write it down.
We can buy groceries this weekend.
Yes, fresh ingredients taste much better.
I'll learn to cook simple dishes.
Practice makes perfect. You'll improve.
Okay, let's start cooking tonight then.
Dialogue 5. Seeing a movie. Hi, Helen. How are you today?
I'm good, Jane. How about you?
I'm fine. Want to see a movie?
Sure. Which movie do you like?
How about the new action movie?
Sounds fun. When should we go?
Are you free this Friday night?
Sorry, I have plans this Friday.
What about Saturday afternoon instead?
Saturday works. What time is it?
Let's go at 3 o'clock.
Perfect. Should we buy tickets now?
Yes, let's book them online today.
Do you want to eat popcorn?
Of course. Popcorn makes movies better.
Should we invite John and Sarah?
Yes, let's ask them to join.
I'll call John right now then.
Great. I'll send Sarah a message.
Okay, see you at the movies.
Dialogue 6. Making dinner plans.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good, John. How about you?
I'm fine. Want to have dinner tonight?
Sure. What time should we meet?
How about 7 o'clock this evening?
7 works. Where should we go?
I can pick you up at home.
My street is busy right now.
Okay, let's meet at the restaurant.
What kind of food do you like?
I like Mexican food. How about you?
I love Mexican food too. Perfect.
There's a new place near downtown.
Sounds great. What's the restaurant's name?
It's called Casa Mexicana. Heard of it?
Yes, my friend said it's amazing.
Let's try it tonight at 7.
Okay, I'll see you there then.
Don't forget to bring your appetite.
I won't. I'm excited for dinner.
Dialogue 7. Asking out.
Hi, Helen. How are you today?
I'm good, Steve. How about you?
I'm fine. Want to go out Friday?
Sorry, I have plans this Friday.
What about Saturday evening instead?
I'm busy on Saturday evening too.
You seem to have a full schedule.
Yes, I do. Maybe another time?
Sure. How about next weekend then?
Next weekend might work. Let's see.
What day is best for you?
Maybe Sunday afternoon. Is that okay?
Sunday works. What should we do?
How about lunch at the park?
Sounds nice. Should I bring anything?
Just bring yourself. I'll prepare food.
Great. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 12 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll see you on Sunday.
Okay, Steve. Looking forward to it.
Dialogue 8. Party time.
Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, Jim. How about you?
I'm fine. There's a party tonight.
Really? Where is the party at?
It's at Sarah's house. Want to come?
Sorry, I can't. I have to study.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, and a science test tomorrow.
That's too bad. The party sounds fun.
I wish I could go too.
Why are you so busy with school?
I missed classes last week. I'm behind.
Why did you miss your classes?
I was sick for a few days.
Do you need help catching up?
No, I just need to study hard.
Okay, maybe next time then.
Yes, let's plan something fun soon.
Good luck with your test tomorrow.
Thanks, Jim. Have fun at the party.
Dialogue 9. Raw oysters.
Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, Jim. How about you?
I'm fine. Want to try something new?
Sure. What do you want to try?
How about some fresh raw oysters?
Raw oysters? No, thank you.
Why not? They taste really good,
I don't like eating raw food.
but they're fresh and very healthy.
I prefer cooked food. It's safer.
Cooked oysters are good too. Want some?
Maybe next time. I'm not hungry.
Come on, just try one oyster.
Okay, but only if it's cooked.
Fine, I'll order grilled oysters for you.
Thanks. Grilled sounds much better to me.
You might like raw ones someday.
Maybe, but not today. I'm cautious.
That's okay. Let's enjoy the grilled ones.
Deal. Let's order them right now.
Dialogue 10. No, thank you.
Hi, Jane. How are you today?
I'm good, John. How about you?
I'm fine. Want to try something new?
Sure. What do you want me to try?
How about some spicy tofu?
No, thank you. I don't like tofu.
Why don't you like tofu?
It tastes bland and feels soft.
But this tofu is spicy and crispy.
Still, I don't like the texture.
What's wrong with the texture?
It feels too squishy in my mouth.
This is all I made for lunch.
That's okay. I'll eat something else later.
Are you sure? You might get hungry.
Yes, I'll grab a sandwich or something.
I thought you'd like this dish.
Sorry, John. It's just not for me.
That's fine. Next time, I'll cook differently.
Thanks, John. I appreciate your effort though.